So far, we've automated apps Magic Automa knows by name. Today, we remove the safety net. UI control is the action that clicks, fills, and reads the controls of any desktop application, even the one only you and I use. It's one of the studio plan actions, and probably the most powerful tool in the box. Watch, field filled, checkbox on, OK pressed. No blind coordinates. Let me show you how. 2 ideas hold everything up. First, which app does it act on? The macro's target app, the one you chose at creation, or the last app you clicked if it's generic. That includes its dialog windows. Second, what can it do? Look at the drop-down. Click, double-click, right-click, type into a field, read a value, switch a checkbox on or off, check that a control exists, wait for it to appear or disappear. One operation per action. Your macros stay readable. And how do I tell it which control? With the pick, the best moment of this action. I press pick, the editor steps aside, and I stroll across the app with my mouse. The box following the cursor tells me everything. Green, I can recognize this control, and I can even read what it's called and what it is, a button, a field, a checkbox. Red, nothing to hold on to here. I find a right control, click, and the action fills itself in with that control's identity. Notice the box ignores Magic Automa's own windows and stays locked on your app. No accidental captures. Under the hood, the pick filled in one or more criteria, and you can combine them by hand too. The control's text, exact or partial. The type, button, text field, checkbox. The index, when there's more than one alike. The second button in the window. And as a last resort, coordinates. The practical rule, the more speaking the criterion, the better your button survives app updates. Text can change with the language. Type plus index works everywhere. Coordinates break if the window moves. Save them for last. Now the scene that's worth the whole video. Plugins often open windows of their own. Here it's Mercalli, the stabilizer inside EDAUS. 2 tools tame them. First, in the action I can name the window title to work on, so I hook the plugin's dialog even though it's a world apart. Second, the waits. The analysis takes as long as it takes, and no fixed pause is ever right. So, click Analyze, then wait until it disappears on the Cancel button. While the analysis runs, Cancel is there. When it vanishes, it's done, and only then click Close. The macro waits exactly the right amount of time, every time. And if the wait times out, the macro stops instead of clicking into the void. One last gift, the test button. It runs the action on the spot, without saving the macro. If the right control lights up, you're set. Recap. UI control acts on a macros app. The pick captures the control live. The criteria find it again. Text, type, index, coordinates. And the waits make everything reliable even when the app takes its time. As you've seen, dedicated versions exist for Filmora, Edius, and DaVinci 2. Next, and last, video of the series. Any app's menus by path.